Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young girl named Sarah. Sarah loved running. Every morning she woke up early, put on her shoes, and ran around the park. But there was one problem. She always lost the races. No matter how hard she tried, she always finished last. Many people told her that maybe running just wasn't for her. But deep down, Sarah didn't want to give up. She decided to train harder. Every day she practiced, even when she was tired, even when it rained, even when nobody believed in her. She kept telling herself, "I will not give up. I will stay strong. I believe in myself." The big race day finally arrived. Sarah looked at the crowd. There were many runners, faster, taller, and stronger than her, but this time she didn't feel afraid. She had trained hard, and she believed in herself. When the whistle blew, she started running as fast as she could. At first, she was behind the others, but she remembered her practice. All those mornings, all those struggles. Step by step, breath by breath, she kept pushing forward. She didn't stop. She didn't slow down. And finally, she crossed the finish line. This time, she was the first to finish. The crowd cheered for her. Her friends celebrated her victory. Sarah smiled with tears in her eyes, feeling proud and thankful. She realized something very important that day. It wasn't talent that helped her win. It was her consistency. She succeeded because she never stopped trying. Remember, friends, success doesn't come from talent. It comes from consistency, doing small things again and again, even when nobody is watching. If you ever feel like giving up, think of Sarah's story. Say these words to yourself. I'll keep trying. I won't give up. I'll stay strong. I believe in myself. This is the language of winners, in English and in life. Thank you for watching, my friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs motivation today. See you next time, only on Your English Friend, where we learn English with heart and inspiration.